I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping fruit and gear immediately. Crush or press 5-6 kg grapes into the primary fermenter. If using juice, pour it in now. Sanitize the fermenter, spoon, and airlock to prevent spoilage, because microbes ruin wine fast. Check specific gravity with a hydrometer and add sugar or water to reach the target for about 10 to 12% alcohol. Once done, sprinkle or rehydrate wine, yeast on the must surface, and stir gently to distribute it evenly. You now manage active fermentation. Maintain temperature between 18 and 24 degrees C so yeast stays healthy. Colder stalls, hotter stresses yeast. Stir once daily during the first few days to release CO2 and keep solids submerged, then stop stirring as activity declines. Monitor gravity every 2-3 days. When it drops substantially and bubbles slow, siphon the wine off the heavy lees into a clean secondary fermenter to reduce off flavors. Make sure to leave sediment and minimize splashing to limit oxygen exposure. You finish by clarifying, stabilizing, and bottling. Let the wine age in secondary for 4 to 12 weeks until it clears. Rack off any remaining lees before bottling. Test and adjust FreeSO2 to preserve shelf life, and when specific gravity is stable for 2 weeks, bottle into sanitized bottles and seal. If fermentation stalls, warm the wine to about 24 degrees C, add a yeast nutrient, and, if needed, a small dose of fresh active wine yeast to restart fermentation. This fixes most stuck ferments quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.